Canasta is a fun card game for 4 people where players try to make melds out of cards of the same rank until they go out by playing all the cards in their hand. To set up the game, pair into partners and shuffle 2 decks of cards together, jokers included. Pick one player to be the dealer, and, starting with the person to their left, deal each player 11 cards face down. Then, everyone can pick up their cards and look at them. Stack the remaining cards in the middle of the table to form the draw pile, and turn the top card in the stack over to create the discard pile. If you turn over a bonus card, a joker, 2, or a red 3, keep pulling from the stack until the discard pile starts with a natural card, any non-bonus card. Gameplay starts with the player on the dealer's left and goes clockwise around the table. Every player's turn begins by picking a card from either the draw pile or the discard pile. To pull from the discard pile, you have to use the top card right away to form a meld. You also have to take the entire discard pile, not just the top card. If the player doesn't want to pick up the discard pile, they pick up the top card from the draw pile, add it to their hand, and look for possible scoring opportunities. If they draw a red 3, they place it face up on the table to score an automatic 100 points. Then, pick another card from the draw pile. To make melds, search your hand for at least 3 cards of the same rank and lay them face up in front of you. Each meld must have at least 2 natural cards in it. Wild cards can be any rank you want, so use those to make melds if you have them. Your first meld must be worth at least 50 points before you can play it. Jokers are worth 50 points. Aces and 2s are worth 20 points. Any card from an 8 to a king is worth 10 points. Cards from 4 to 7 are worth 5 points. And black 3s are worth 5 points. After the first meld, you can play any combinations you want. End each turn by getting rid of one of your cards and placing it face up on the discard pile. As the game continues, players can add to their own existing melds on the table, and to their partner's existing melds too. A meld of 7 cards is a canasta. The goal of the game is to make as many canastas as you can before the game ends. A natural canasta, no wild cards, is worth 500 points. A dirty or mixed canasta, with at least 1 wild card, is worth 300 points. Once you meld all of your remaining cards, you go out while the rest of the players continue taking turns. The round ends when the draw pile stock is exhausted or when all the players have gone out. Each player adds up their own points and combines their total with their partner's total for their official score. Write this score down on a notepad and add to it after each round ends. The first team to earn 5,000 points wins the game.